In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix conflicted syncing issues in Dropbox. So here it is saying if you delete a folder using the selective sync feature and then you reuse the selective sync, it might duplicate some folders. No matter what your reason is, what you want to do to fix it is go up here on the desktop app, go here, and you'll see something that says view sync issues. Here it will give you a list of any syncing issues that you will have. If nothing turns up here, go back into the menus, go to settings, go to preferences, go to selective sync, and make sure your specific folders that you want to sync are ticked and the ones that you do not want to sync are unticked. This will prevent any further issues occurring. Another thing that you can do is make sure your counts, the names match. So make sure that name matches the name on here. So demo folder. Yeah, that is how you do that, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.